Hi, in front of me I have Ulefone Armor X5 and I'm gonna show you how to enable the installation of applications from unknown sources on this device. Let's start by opening the settings. To do it, swipe left on the screen, then tap on settings icon. Here let's scroll down, select apps and notifications. Now scroll down, tap on special app access, and here select install unknown apps. Now let's select one of the apps, for example Chrome, and here we can turn on allow from this source. When you turn it on, basically you can install unknown apps from Chrome, and you can enable it for every application on this list. And that's how you enable the installation of applications from unknown sources on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.